Welcome to a new episode of Hawk Talk. Along with our sister program, Red Hawk News, we will continue to take you deeper into the world of ACIT with special features, interviews, and a few other surprises. This month, we are closing with one of the most popular events at ACIT, Mr. Red Hawk. If you missed out on the show, I know a guy on the inside. Noah Simon has more.
The 13th annual Mr. Red Hawk took place this past Friday on November 21st. It was truly a show to remember. This year, Mr. Red Hawk 2026 began with its traditional opening performance featuring all contestants. Next was the formal wear portion. Contestants strutted their stuff up on stage while being accompanied by their escorts. The contestants also had a swimwear section where they dressed up in different funny outfits such as Maui from Moana, Carlos from Descendants, the Philly Fanatic, and more. Then, each contestant went up on stage to perform their talent that they have been practicing and perfecting for the show. Some of these talents consisted of an a cappella rendition of Ray Charles' I Believe to My Soul, sung by Noé Valdez Noboa, a dance performance to Chris Brown mashups performed by Kazir Stevenson, an acoustic guitar singing performance of Morgan Wallen's Cover Me Up performed by Phoenix Strychars, and so many more amazing acts. This year, Mr. Congeniality went to Sergio Lopez for overall spirit and friendliness during the contest. Third runner-up went to Harpreet Singh, who performed riffs by Van Halen on his electric guitar. Second runner-up went to Marcos Rios, who showed off an original step performance. First runner-up went to Sergio Lopez, who performed a dance and lip-sync to Michael Jackson and New Edition. And our new Mr. Red Hawk 2026 is Josmel Haraz Vivero. Congratulations, everyone. It was truly a show to remember. We also had the opportunity to sit down with Josmel and hear about his experience participating in Mr. Red Hawk.
My performance was meant to be I just wanted to bring something to ACIT that a lot of people haven't seen. And so I really just wanted my group to represent all of our Hispanic countries as a whole and really just show off their pride, show off the talents that we all endure. So I just wanted the school to see that. They're my family. The bond that we built during this whole thing was just crazy. I can't even describe how close we all got, because the night of the show, as soon as it was over, they just overwhelmed me with hugs. They were all so happy for me. So being surrounded by those guys was great. It was really great.
Lastly, we got some behind-the-scenes footage of what the guys were feeling before and after their performances.
I'm feeling great. I'm pumped up right now.
All right. You loving the show so far?
Oh, heck yeah, I'm loving it.
How's your time been?
It's been good. I love it. I definitely don't want it to be over. I'm loving it.
How's you feeling?
Feeling fantastic. Feeling alive, feeling great, feeling everything. I can't even describe it.
Thanks.
Yo, we about to go out here and show you what we about. Yo, we be here for the crowd. We not here for ourselves. We not here to win. We're here to
fun. This is a beauty, bro.
Senior year. Yo, for anybody doing it next year, years to go on, you got to do it. It's your last year. You got to enjoy yourself. Be outgoing.
Yes, I'm having so much fun, but the show needs to slow down because I'm having too much fun and it's going by so quick.
Yes, sir.
I wish we could just restart, bro. I'm trying to restart.
Yo,
How you feeling? How we doing?
It's my senior year. These right here, my freshman year brothers, bro. My freshman year brothers.
For life.
Now we got no way for life, bro.
Way.
This is really a blessing.
This is a family, bro.
Thank the Lord, bro.
And I thank everybody for coming out, and I pray that y'all get home safe. Love y'all.
Facts. Yo, all glory to God. Facts.
Only reason why we're here is for us and for our brothers here.
Yes,
Every
sir.
single one of them.
This isn't a competition. This is a brotherhood. This is my brother right here. He is everyone else in this dressing room. My brothers.
Yes, sir.
For Red Hawk News, I'm Noah Simon.
It looked like both the contestants and the audience had so much fun. Make sure to keep up with us to get more information about Mr. Red Hawk 2027. Prior to crowning the king of ACIT, students in the Drama Academy performed in the first Fall Drama Showcase. Hannah, take it away.
On Friday, November 14th, the Drama Academy had its first ever Fall Drama Showcase. The Academy students got to showcase their acting and singing talents through amazing performances, like a scene from Mean Girls done by Soraya Delphin, Scarlett Gomez Castillo, and Ava Foy, a monologue from Ride the Cyclone performed by Tessie Bowman, a rendition of Paciencia y Fe from In the Heights sung by Valerie Acevedo Martinez, plus so many more. If you missed the show or really enjoyed it and would like to see more, make sure to check out the next drama showcase in the spring, which consists of both Drama Academy students and Drama Club students. For Red Hawk Media, this is Gigi Falcone.
For some Thanksgiving fun, stay tuned after the break.
What better way to visit the future than stepping right into it? ACCC is holding an open house Wednesday, December 3rd from 5 p.m. to 7:30. Alongside a campus tour, get help with your application, learn about how to get financial aid, create connections with college partners and support services, with time to spare for learning about classes and student clubs. The future awaits at ACCC.
Welcome back to Hawk Talk. The dynamic duo Hanna and Heidi are back at it again with another holiday treat.
Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking It Up. I'm Hanna Heidi.
And I'm Heidi Bender.
And today we're going to be cooking butterbeer cookies with butterscotch frosting. Let's go!
Yeah!
The ingredients include salted butter, all-purpose flour, dark brown sugar, cream cheese, baking powder, baking soda, granulated sugar, powdered sugar, heavy cream, 2 large eggs, vanilla extract, and butterscotch chips. We're going to start by making the butterscotch sauce. To do that, combine salted butter, dark brown sugar, and heavy cream in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Boil for 5 minutes, then let cool. Now we can make the cookie dough. Start by browning your butter, which you can do by cutting a stick of butter into a few smaller pieces and putting them in a light-colored pan so that you can properly see when the butter begins to brown. Set the stove to medium and stir the butter as it melts, then begins foaming. After 5 to 8 minutes, you should be able to see the butter turn a golden brown. Make sure to immediately remove from the pan because the butter can very easily burn. Next, whisk in melted butterscotch chips. Whisk in the sugars, eggs, and vanilla next. Stir in the dark brown sugar, granulated sugar, all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Scrape the sides of the bowl well to make sure everything is incorporated. Then, roll the dough into balls that are 60 grams in size. Roll them in granulated sugar. They can be baked off right away or chilled for 2 days or frozen for up to 2 months. Bake the cookies at 365 degrees Fahrenheit. They'll be a bit puffy when done, but the edges should appear and feel just set. Gently press down on the tops to flatten them out for frosting later. While you wait, you can make the frosting. Cream together brown butter, cream cheese, some of the butterscotch sauce from earlier, powdered sugar, and vanilla with a stand mixer. You should end up with a creamy butterscotch frosting. Finally, once the cookies are done baking, you can decorate. For Red Hawk Media, this is Hanna Heidi and Heidi Bender.
Yum! I wish I could add that to my Thanksgiving feast. Lastly, Jake and Ashley went around the school to ask students about their Thanksgiving favorites and family traditions.
Thanksgiving, a time to be grateful for everything we have in our lives and for all those we have in our lives. All students may choose to celebrate Thanksgiving differently, such as doing a turkey trot, watching the Thanksgiving Day parade, or spending time with family. Red Hawk Media decided to interview students to see how they're spending their Thanksgiving break.
My favorite part of Thanksgiving is the food. Because, of course, food has to go with Thanksgiving, so why would you not eat the food? But last time I went to my friend's house, food was really good, so that's my favorite.
Me personally, it's just being with my family, you know. I really love them, and they hold a really special place in my heart. So every time during Thanksgiving, I'm just always thankful and grateful for them.
Hanging out with family and friends and getting to catch up.
My favorite part of Thanksgiving is seeing my dad's side of the family because I don't see them often, so we all get to hang out.
My favorite part of Thanksgiving is spending time with family and friends.
My favorite part of Thanksgiving is probably some of my family comes down, so I get to see them at dinner.
Every year we do something different where one person brings a different dish and we have to exactly guess what the name is. It's always something interesting.
Every year we get together and we basically make paper turkeys because we have a lot of little kids, and then we hang them up all around the house.
My family likes to make little notes about what we like about each other, like our thanks for each other, and we give it around to everyone around the table.
We like to go around the table and tell our the little issues we had through the year, the family struggles, and why we're thankful for each other. It's just a way to overcome things and just be there for each other. I don't know, it's love. I love it.
My favorite Thanksgiving food is the mac and cheese, turkey, and the yams.
Probably the ham. We do like a lot of Thanksgiving hams. I'm not really a turkey person because it's like too dry, but I really like that.
For me, it's definitely the turkey. Yeah.
It gotta be the tamales.
I say corn. I love corn.
It's one of those few times a year where all the family, extended family and all, is together, and I just think that's really cool.
Just the fact that everybody's together and we get to hang out.
Just being around family.
Being around family and the food.
No matter how you spend your Thanksgiving break, you should remember to be thankful every day. For Red Hawk Media, I'm Ashley Ariola. Gobble, gobble, gobble!
We'll be right back after the break.
ACIT will be holding its annual winter concert, featuring your favorite Christmas carols. The show is jam-packed with many great performances by the Performing Arts Academy. You can buy your tickets online for $8 or buy them for $10 at the door. Come share the holiday spirit on Thursday, December 4th. Hope to see you there.
Come to the ACIT Dance Choreoproject where you can see many dances choreographed by the members of the ACIT Dance Academy and Dance Ensemble. The Choreoproject starts on Friday, December 12th at 7 p.m. in the Performing Arts Center. Doors open at 6:30 p.m. and tickets for adults are $10 while tickets for students are $5. We hope to see you there.
Attention ACIT students and staff. Don't forget, 2025 to 2026 yearbooks are now on sale. Get them before the deadline of February 20th for only $90. Scan the QR codes to order your yearbooks and ads now. You can also order your yearbook at www.jostens.com. Don't forget these memories and order one now.
Looking for more places to find us? Follow and subscribe to all of our social media channels. As always, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. From the crew and staff of Red Hawk Media, have a great Thanksgiving and an even better break. I'm Victoria Tracasio, and we'll see you next time.